64 Wood Cliff. So remove the satellite dish. Really cute landscaping in the front. Oh, sorry. Corner lot. Okay, so I would say paint the front door, paint the wood frame, remove the satellite dish. I'm not really seeing a lot of work that needs to be done right now. The laminate flooring seems to be in good condition. We have a towel bar, not that we need it in a powder room. Upgraded light fixture, pedestal sink. Pretty straightforward. We already have the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, a nice fan with a light kit, solid stone counters, space saver microwave. We prefer undermount sinks, but when we already have the stone installed, and we do have a gooseneck, it'll probably be okay. I mean, a lot of times you can't make that change anyway without a lot of modification because the counter is already cut. So we already have pavers back here. I did not expect it to go all the way. Well, that's a nice surprise. That's fake grass, which is great. We want to make sure all items are junked, including this barbecue grill. Hopefully the seller junks it. And also this umbrella here. I'm thinking there must be a cat around here somewhere. I don't smell it at all. But I do see cat things. Okay, I'll fix that. Raised panel door, which is a nice touch. Just some storage. We'll want to rekey this door. Overhead storage. Seems pretty straightforward. Water heater over there in the back with earthquake straps. The walls are very close to the color that we choose. I might say the door frames need to be repainted. Just on the way up the stairs, this caught my eye. I'm not sure if you can see it, but looks like it needs some work. This is a flat white room. I would say it should be repainted. Also, maybe consider pulling up this carpet, since it's not in the best condition anyway, pulling up this vinyl and laying down some tile at about $5 or so a square foot, plus about $1 or so a square foot for hardy backer, which needs to go underneath it on the second floor. So maybe repaint this room. Not sure about the carpet. It's not the best quality. So I would say we would probably want to install the tile in all of the wet areas upstairs. It's nice to have a laundry room upstairs in its own separate room. These blinds may need to be replaced. They get a lot of the heat. These windows are probably in the sun all of the time, so we'll have to replace those blinds. because they get warped and a little discolored over time. Maybe all of the bedrooms should be repainted. For some reason they were all left that flat white and they're showing a little bit of wear and tear. This is nice. It's nice to have a loft area. Maybe repaint this room as well. Carpet seems okay. There are stains here and there, and it's definitely worn. Carpet's only about $1.50 a square foot, and we're only talking about the stairs up. So we're not talking about a large area if we were to replace it. And that's that.